Hi Yo Silver. Let ehomeranger help you to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. Hope you enjoy the tour. Homes suffered flooding during Hurricane Helene. Photos were taken before the flood. All furniture has been removed. Cash offers are encouraged. If financing, the buyers should consider our renovation loan available through Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, or Virginia. This is a great opportunity to build equity. Let my seller's loss be your buyer's gain. Seller has filed a claim with her insurance company. No assignment of contracts allowed.